The arm series on the small barrel or the spine corrector. Sit in front of the hump of your barrel with your knees bent, or they can be straightened together, and then lie back over the barrel so it supports your head and neck, and look for a bit of extension in your rib cage. Your neck should not be so extended that you can't talk, or if someone's looking at you, your trachea should not be sticking out. Pull your low abs in to support your low back's natural curves. Note that you can add some padding underneath the head if the neck is not supported enough, or you can move your hips slightly away from the barrel in order to give your neck more support. The up-down. You can hold a weighted bar for this exercise or do it without. Reach both arms straight up to the ceiling and lightly open your collarbones. Inhale and stay, and then exhale to reach your arms back towards your ears evenly. Inhale, lift your arms up to the ceiling. Pause, and then exhale, reach your arms down towards your hips. Inhale, reach back to the ceiling, pause, and exhale, reach back to your ears. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, reach down towards your hips. Inhale, reach back to the ceiling. And exhale, keep going for 3 to 5 sets, all the while pulling in your low abs to connect the movement of your arms to your torso. When you're finished with the up-down, the circles come next. Place your bar down by your sides, and you can do this exercise with no weights or with light 1 to 2 pound weights. This time, the arms circle. Inhale to reach your arms back towards your ears, open them out to the side, down towards your hips, and back to the ceiling. Again, inhale, reach back, around, down, exhale, and come up. Inhale, reach back, open, around, exhale, and come up. Reverse. Circle your arms down towards your hips, out to the sides, around towards your ears, and up to the ceiling. Again, circle down, around, back, into the ceiling. One more time. As you're circling, make sure that you can see your arms in your peripheral vision throughout the exercise. You never want to go down below your peripheral vision. Place your weights down when you're finished, and since you've been resting the weight of your head on the barrel, please use your hands to lift your head up.